recall when you sent me that text. Well, 3 months in the past when you came through, I could see you just weren't you. Yeah, I could see it in your eyes. This might be the last time. You were evaluating the situation, thinking that he better not blow it. And then my phone buzzed, we need to talk. Then I knew what 3 months ago was. And then the phone call, we should call it off. I wasn't playing hard, I wasn't surprised at all, no, no. My heartbeat had me, harder than it, harder than it, my heartbeat had me, harder than it, harder than it, sacaró,
into the past, you had just entered the picture then, trying to get the right words to say to you. That's how most of my time was spent. But even then, I had a knack for putting my foot right in my mouth. So when I tried to say hello to you, I opened my mouth but nothing would come out. My mind was full of doubt, heart ready to shout, but I don't think you wanna hear I love you before I ask you out. No. So I decided to take it slow. Maybe from friends we'll grow, or at least I hope. So we spent a lot of nights up on the phone, talk about what we know, connecting by the soul. See, what you had with me was real, and I know you felt it. No matter how far we're apart, I feel we're still connected. But now
my heartbeat had me, harder than it, harder than it, my heartbeat had me, harder than it, harder than it, sacaró,
Look, every moment was a Kodak. I love you and you know that, or knew that. Whatever, let's go back. Remember talking on the phone till the AM. School in 2 hours, I'll be out front waiting. High school couple, I remember they was hating. Talk about he took you for her, what's he thinking? Swerve, they was tripping. I remember fighting over you because another dude told me dude was feeling you. Come to find out, me and dude became cool because he opened up my eyes so I could see the real you. But that was like 5 years ago. Last thing on my mind till you hit me on the low. Talking about, what up? I see you doing good. Call me, here's my number, honey. I think you should. And if you don't, well, I tried. I'm just glad to see you doing alright. Well, alright, goodbye.
My heartbeat had me, harder than it, harder than it, my heartbeat had me, harder than it, harder than it, sacaró, when I looked into your eyes, do you remember when we spent so much time? Do you remember when? Do you recall? Do you remember when? Do you remember when?